Improving the graphics settings in Valorant can enhance your gaming experience by providing better visuals. Follow these steps to adjust your graphics settings effectively. Step 1. Launch the game. Open Valorant on your computer. Wait for the game to load completely before proceeding to the settings menu. Step 2. Access settings. Once in the main menu, locate the gear icon, usually found in the top right corner. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to video settings. In the settings menu, find and select the video tab. This section contains all the graphics related options you can adjust. Step 4. Adjust graphics quality. Within the video settings, you will see options for graphics quality. Increase the settings for options like material quality, texture quality, and detail quality to enhance the visual fidelity of the game. Step 5. Save and apply changes. After adjusting your desired settings, make sure to click the apply button to save your changes. You may need to restart the game for some settings to take effect. By following these steps, you can successfully increase the graphics settings in Valorant for a more visually appealing gaming experience. Enjoy your enhanced gameplay.